My name's Daniel Smith, and this is my wife Abbey Smith. She works in the birth center here at Duncan Regional Hospital. My mother was recently released from the hospital after surviving this disease known as COVID. And we nominated Joanne for a Health Hero Award. About day 10 of Mom being in the hospital, got a phone call at 4 o'clock in the morning, and when I got my wits about me and answered the phone, it was her on a BiPAP machine, and she's unable to talk and scared, was just alone. And while talking to her on the phone, her phone lost service. It completely went dead. Something happened, not real sure, wasn't there, couldn't be there, and couldn't get her back on the phone. So I called up to the hospital and was able to talk to Joanne and kind of get a gist of what's going on with Mom and why we were in the position we were in.
She was just really struggling to breathe, more and more anxious. She was trying really hard to stay on the settings that she was on, but she wasn't able to do that. So I called respiratory therapist and we put her on the BiPAP machine. In her mind, she felt like she had kind of went downhill, and she was really nervous. She began crying.
Joanne went in the room and was able to be there with Mom and for her where we couldn't.
I just went to her and kind of wiped her tears and sat down with her, and we prayed a little bit, and she seemed to calm down a little bit, so that helped her.
You know, working here, you're downstairs, you're right there by your family member, and you can't go to them just because you risk your other patients when you do that. You know, you want to go to your family and you can't. And you just have to trust that people are going to take care of your mom or your mother-in-law, your family member, however you would take care of them.
Just goes to a testament of what the staff here at Duncan Regional is doing for our friends, for our families, in the times that we can't be there with them.
When I heard that I got the Health Hero Award, I was really amazed, because to me it's really not anything different than any of my fellow nurses would do. You know, part of nursing, or a big majority of nursing, is compassion, so you're obviously going to be compassionate to your patient. So of course I was very excited, and I was happy that I got the award, but to me it was just like anything I do any other day with all the other patients.